Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Detail Matters. On this episode, we will be going through our entire February 2019 glove box, all coming up on this episode. Okay, first things first, let's unbox and see the products that we highlighted in this month's box. First, per usual, we have our insert card, a little message from Jason and myself. And on the back of the insert card lists everything that's included in this month's box, along with links to the websites where you can purchase more of this product or full-size products with a special glove box discount to most of these manufacturers. Okay, highlighted first in our February box is SONAX upholstery and Alcantara cleaner. Full size, as you see, a little bit bigger than the sample sizes we do. We wanted to do something a little special. Get back. Something a little special this month since this is our 1-year anniversary. Started in 2018 with our first box going out. Now with our February 2019 box, we are super thankful for the positive response we've gotten from everybody, from other detailers, from people outside the detailing community. We just had great support and learning a lot. One thing that you don't see behind the scenes is there's a lot of things that we're tweaking. We always have customer service number one, and also always bringing you amazing boxes every month. But shipping, man, we'll get that. If shipping was this, and this is me, tons to the face. So we're getting shipping down pat and making sure that you get everything in a timely fashion. Also, if you don't want to do the monthly subscription, you can go to our website and purchase previous boxes. This box will be a link down below, so you can go directly there and purchase this if you're not a monthly subscriber for the mystery box. You can also, if you don't want to pick a box that we curated already, you can go and build your own box, our BYOB. Pick 5 products, make it the way you would like it. Or now we have pick 3 products, make it that way you would like it, on a little cheaper price point for you guys. But sorry, off tangent, let's get back to it. We're still doing the vlog edition, so just gonna go at you real time, go through this box together, do some suggestions and everything, and clean up this Mercedes-Benz AMG. So again, SONAX, full size, Alcantara and upholstery cleaner. Next we have our nylon toothbrush. This is a great little brush to get really in those tight areas, the cracks and crevices. Works great on the pedals or hard to reach areas. Remember, this is a little bit more aggressive. This isn't like boars here, so it's not super soft. So this will be more for carpet in the crevices of upholstery, or like I said, on the pedals. Next, we have our Autofiber Elite microfiber towel. Some of you are cringing, saying, why did I put a white towel in here? Well, I know you guys, if you subscribe to our channel and see our past videos, I'm always talking about check your microfibers, like a broken record. The reason I put white in here is I want you guys to realize how dirty a towel gets during normal detailing, especially on interior. But also, if something gets picked up in these fibers, you can see it right away on white, typically. So I want to give you a white towel. One, I like using white towels because you can see the work being done, the dirt in the towel. You know which areas to avoid, when to get rid of towels, and so forth. So white towel, it's going to open your guys' eyes to see how dirty microfibers actually get. So super important. Get a lot of microfiber towels. Use your glove box discount at Autofiber or the Rag Company and just stock up. Most important thing for your arsenal. Next, Mother's Protectant, rubber, vinyl, and plastic. This is going to go perfectly with something else we included in this box. Remember, these boxes are curated in a way where they work together. I'm not going to lead you blind. I'm going to give you stuff that you can actually try, work it together, so you can make your own decision and opinion on what works well for you by actually trying it first. Autofiber Black Sponge Skinny to go along with our Mother's Protectant. Okay, so we'll work the steering wheel here because it does have Alcantara on here. does have some rubber as well, vinyl, but it does have leather. I'm not going to use it on that. I'll probably use it on this center section here just so you can see how that protectant works and the Autofiber skinny sponge. So first, the SONAX upholstery and the Alcantara cleaner. SONAX says you can foam right on here. This is almost like shaving cream. It doesn't spray everywhere like a liquid, which is nice because then you don't have to worry about it getting all over the dash. I still prefer to put this on my towel first and then lightly massage it in there. Remember that, massage, because Alcantara, upholstery, carpet, those fibers can be matted down and ruin pretty quickly or frizz up. So we don't want to be too aggressive unless we really have to. So first things first, grab my towel, spray, foam that on there. It's white, I'm not sure if you're catching a lot of that, but it's foaming up. Remember, like I said, I like to put it on the towel, but you can also do, like SONAX suggests, put it directly on there. I will massage that into my towel a little bit. Lightly working, I'm not putting in a lot of pressure. Dang, look at that. Lightly working this area. Massaging it in, making those fibers stand back up a little bit. Cleaning, especially the steering wheel. Think about everything your hand touches every day, and then you go and grab the steering wheel. We want to keep that super clean. Boom. Get in the back side. There you go. I don't know if that's focusing, but it's nasty. It's dirty right there. So clean that up. Maybe I'll switch to a dry side if there's a lot of product still left on there. Give it one more light wipe down. Now remember, you can also use this on upholstery. I use it on carpets. That's why I included this small nylon toothbrush on those areas, especially this time in Chicago where there's a lot of salt. On those tight areas, I'll get salt buildup in there, and if I'm not doing a crazy brad detail where I'll take that plastic trim off, I need something nice and tight to fit in there to clean that out really well. So I'll spray this on there, let it sit, and then I'll agitate it with this, and then I'll go back up and wipe that carpet up with my microfiber towel. And I know you guys are thinking, what about those carpet brushes? Why this little one as well? Because those carpet brushes, and I'll put a little picture in here, but the edge on the carpet brushes stick out a lot farther than this, so you can't really get tight up to those edges. That's why I like to keep this in my back pocket just in case I need it. Also is really good on pedals, cleaning around the pedals, getting all that dirt in there really well. And if you have rubber floor mats with those really skinny little channels, it gets in there really well. Love this. It's perfect to have in your arsenal. It lasts a lifetime. One thing I would say though, when you're done using it, clean it off really well. You don't want to bring dirty garbage into your next detail. Clean this so you have a nice fresh brush for your next detail. Okay, next, our mother's protectant with our Autofiber skinny sponge. I'm going to spray directly on here. I don't like spraying on the panel itself, so I'll spray on my sponge. Just a couple squirts. Rub that in a little bit. We'll work this section. Just lightly rubbing that in there. This thing bends pretty easily, so you can get into these tight areas. Under. Now if your sponge isn't super saturated, you could flip it over and dry it. Or if you have another microfiber towel, go ahead and wipe up the excess, just giving it that natural look. Here you go. Now if you like the shiny look, you can add more on there or not wipe it off right away. I personally don't like the shiny look. I like the natural look, but when I curate these boxes, I think in a way of, okay, what was I doing when I first started, when I was doing dealership stuff, a lot of volume. Sometimes clients wanted the shiny look to it, so that's when I would use the shiny stuff. Now, when I'm doing more exotics, high-end stuff like that, collection, I'm not adding shiny. I'm going for that natural supple look. So what I like also to use this for, not just on the interior that you guys might try, but also the plastic wheel wells. So after I'm done cleaning, if those are dull and I can't reach back in there, I'm not doing a tires off detail, I could spray that in there, reach my hand in, wipe it down, get those wheel wells looking nice again. So very versatile product. You can use it for a lot of different things. Same with this, it's not just for Alcantara. You can remember you can use it on upholstery carpet as well. Your brush, perfect for all different situations, tight areas. Like we said, rubber floor mats, on the edges of your carpet floor mats where they have that little stitched edge where it gets dirty sometimes, or in tight areas where salt is sticking or other debris. And one other suggestion with this, when you're working those tight areas, right? Let's say this is the plastic kick panel, and right here is my carpet. I'm not pushing in to that plastic, I'm pushing up and away, because I don't want to push debris underneath that plastic and it just sits there and starts corroding or smelling over time. So what I'm doing is scrubbing, pushing away. I'm doing this opposite, pushing away from there to get that debris away so I can vacuum it up and get it out of the car, not keep it in the car and hide it. So there is our 2019 February glove box. Just super excited to, have this whole year with many more years to come. We appreciate you guys, and now that I've been starting to do different videos like vlogs and stuff just with the unboxing, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and let me know if you like this style of video where I'm just talking with you guys and we're kind of working together, or if you'd like me to do other things besides just the unboxing videos, like if you wanted me to talk about paint correction, interior care, how to care for matte cars, tires off detail, starting a detailing business, running a detailing business. I've been pretty blessed throughout the years to have done it all, everything from taking care of golf cart fleets to crazy private collections. So I have a little knowledge stuck in this little brain to kind of give back to you guys, and hopefully it helps you guys as well. And more importantly, the whole point of this, whether you're a weekend warrior or you have your own detail business, is to let you try as many products as possible without committing to full size or paying full size on a monthly basis to see what works well for you. Maybe you like things that look different on the shelf. Maybe you like the smell of a product. Maybe you like the way the product performs. So that's what we're going to continue to do, is give you these products every month so you can see what works best with you and incorporate some of my suggestions that have worked well for me. And so for you to able to do that, go to gloveboxdetail.com to learn more and sign up. Thanks guys, I'll talk to you soon.